So today we're taking a look at the Mobility e-scooter, and we have a look at it all around. And myself went up to Liffey Valley today to meet Felix Eggert of Win Mobility, who gave us a test run on it today, which was really nice. So up front here you can see that you've got a nice mudguard suspension system. Then up onto the handlebar area you've got your speedo area, you've got a QR code to scan and all the controls. You've a nice brake system here, which is like what you see on a high-end bike, and you can see it's very well structured and it's built to last. Onto the rear then you have got a nice brake light there too, which is quite visible, and then you can see the braking mechanism here too on the back. You notice how thick them tyres are too. And then underneath then you've got your kickstand, which will keep it balanced while you're trying to get off and get moving. Again, have a look here at the suspension and the whole setup of the front wheel area, which is really nice. Underneath where you'll stand is where the battery is, and it can be easily replaced and swapped out. On the front end, you've got your suspension, your reflector, and the whole setup there, which is very, very sturdy. Then you've got your helmet, which you unlock with the app, which is really, really nice and secure. And this is just some information that you'll get to see on the back side of the panel there. So you have your accelerator there. It's not a pull-back accelerator, it's just a switch you'll push down on there. And on the other side then you've got your lights and a horn built in there too as well, which is really, really nice. Then again, this is just an overview of the front of the handlebar setup there, which is pretty solid and secure. As you can see, overall it's a really, really good build and high quality machine. So you kick off, push down on this, so it's like this. So now we'll just take it for a quick spin here, as you can see. Simple as that. So that's the horn system, warning system. You've also got your lights here, which is just a button you press on the front, so the light comes on in the front and the rear. And your brakes are here, front and rear. And you kick off on this, use this right here to accelerate, and away you go. As you can see, it's got a big platform to stand on there as well. And it's got all the safety features, GPS, and all that kind of stuff there. Your speed up here, which is capped, and your phone will pop in there, and that's pretty much what it looks like there on the operating side of it. So pretty simple idea. Nice sturdy unit, as you can see there. Lights on the back, and you've got tyres that will last forever there too. You've also got suspension up on the front, a reflector. You've reflectors on the side, stand to keep it balanced, and in here is the battery compartment, which can be swapped out, and that's what it looks like there. And these are tubeless as well, and are thicker than your typical tyres here, so it won't fall down the tracks. And your helmet's locked into this spot here, and that's pretty much it there. And that wraps up for the Win Mobility e-scooter. Stay tuned for more on techbuzzireland.com.